Hey everyone, welcome to a whole new, brand new video. Happy Friday, and the weekend is coming, and you all know what that means. The 4th of July weekend is upon us. So I hope you guys are enjoying yourselves, or just on the road getting ready for your plans for the 4th of July. I hope you guys have a good one. But for now, we're going to do some more DVD openings and closings. So the first one we're going to be doing is the opening to the sequel to the 2006 movie Curious George. Curious George 2, Follow That Monkey. This DVD came out in 2010 from Universal Animation Studios, Imagine Entertainment, and Universal Studios Home Entertainment. Like the first film, the sequel is another one of my childhood movies, and it was also the first in the direct-to-video sequels of the other Curious George films. But the sequel has a favorite place in my heart next to the first film. Well, let's go play the DVD.
In the spring of 2010, Mattel Entertainment presents Barbie in A Mermaid Tale. Join Barbie in Malibu, where she stars as Maria, a champion surfer, with a secret. Barbie in A Mermaid Tale, an all-new movie splashing onto DVD, spring 2010.
To life in an all-new feature-length movie. Join Clutch Powers.
Clutch Powers.
Clutch Powers?
And his brick-building team.
You're bringing extra hair?
Girls gotta be prepared.
On the ultimate adventure.
Do I get to blow something up? It's possible.
As they save the world.
Something bad happened here.
Brilliant deduction.
One brick at a time.
Once again, Clutch Powers single-handedly gets the job done.
Lego, The Adventures of Clutch Powers. An all-new movie on DVD, spring 2010.
You never know what's around me. Big adventure, all brand bring when you're curious. I like Curious George. Swag. We like everything. It's so glorious. In everything. It's so wonderful. I ask for this book. Where you go and you don't. And be curious. Just ain't this. I be curious. And that's all.
You've got it. You're invited to the world premiere of Curious George Live. Curious George leaps from the classic storybooks, movies, and TV series you and your children know and love to the live musical stage. The hilarious antics of George and his friends will make your whole family sing, laugh, and cheer for more. Don't miss the new live stage musical, Curious George Live. Find out when Curious George Live is coming to your town. Visit CuriousGeorgeLive.com and find us on Facebook.
He's the one friend we all have in common. His name?
George!
Curious George. Every weekday on PBS Kids, he swings into action to bring you the ultimate adventure anywhere and any way he can.
You know George, he just used his imagination.
Come along and explore with your curious pal, Curious George. Weekdays on PBS Kids or anytime you want at pbskids.org.
We're jumping out of time. We're running with the wind, but there's no finish line. We're getting lost along the way, and everything is fine. Just step outside ourselves, and suddenly.
Alright folks, that's gotta do it for the opening to Curious George 2, following that Monkey DVD from 2010. If you enjoy, subscribe to the channel, ring that notification bell, like, comment, and share, and I'll see you guys in my next video.